Hello you guys and welcome to our empty house tour. So this is Saturday, we're moving on Tuesday and we just came down here to drop off a few things. I'm really excited to show you the house before we get everything in it. So I'm in our foyer right now. There's a lot of things that are gonna change. There's a lot of little like mini reno projects that we're gonna do. We're in the middle of painting it, so you'll see some things that are already painted and done and then some things that still need to be painted, but I'm so excited. So here, we'll just get into it. Okay, so when you walk in, you're greeted by this beautiful staircase. These are stools from Anthropologie that I already have purchased. There's a console table going here with some artwork or something. But this color will be changing. Right now it's like a mint green and everything is going to be Benjamin Moore Simply White. This is also being switched out for a Pottery Barn chandelier, which we have. It just needs to get installed. But when you walk in and take a left, you get into our formal dining room. This is also all gonna be white. This is the dining room table, but it hasn't been unboxed yet. And then all this will be changing. I don't know about these curtains. Let me know what you guys think. It's like a, can't really see, but it's like a nice like gray blue. It's not like horrible, but we're probably gonna change this out. And then this will also be changed, but I don't know. This also isn't that bad, so let me know what you guys think about that. If you hear my baby or husband in the background, they're just crawling around playing. But so you walk through this, and this is like a little desk area off the kitchen. This is gonna be like my little workstation. All of these countertops and stuff I'm not a fan of, but we're gonna eventually switch that out maybe a few years down the road. But this leads into the kitchen. And then right here is a butler's pantry. So I love this. I actually love this white counter. It's just like a flat white. But there's all little cabinets in here. There's a big toaster oven, a wine fridge, and not too much is gonna change in here. I might do like a fun wallpaper or like a tile in here. I thought it would be really cool to tile this whole wall. And this will be switched out. I already purchased a really cute gold and white light for there. And I also purchased gold knobs to replace all these with. So I'm really excited for that. And then if you walk through this little desk area, it opens up into our kitchen. So this has already been painted. So this is what you'll see. This is the color that the whole house will be eventually. So right now you can see like in this room, all the trim is like this off-white, and then everything is gonna be this beautiful bright white eventually. So we're just doing it piece by piece, which isn't ideal, but it'll all get done eventually. So this is our kitchen. It is like this off-white cabinet color, and then the counters are like this brownish black granite, and our goal is to eventually redo this, but it's really nice, honestly. The cabinets are really cute and in good condition. These are stools that I bought from Wayfair. I don't know, I feel like they kind of clash with the countertop. So if it was like a white and gray counter, I think these would look really cute, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them right yet, but honestly, this kitchen is just very like simple and easy and can match with a lot of stuff. So I like it for now. And then this is probably my favorite room. Right off the kitchen is this big sunroom. So I already did, this isn't technically empty house tour because I did buy these two West Elm sofas, or no, I'm sorry, Crate & Barrel. They're so comfy. I've never purchased sofas online before, but they are so deep and cozy. And this room is gonna be like a hangout room. So I bought a big jute rug for in here. We have these two sofas. Right here is gonna be a Anthropologie like nightstand with a TV mounted on the corner. I bought new sconces to go here and here. And then these stools are also from Anthropologie that are so cute. I'm gonna use these as like floating side tables. So through the kitchen, you walk in here, and then right here, I love these built-ins. One thing we loved about this house was how many architectural details there are just with the molding and the built-ins. I absolutely love it. So we're gonna put a dining table here with chairs. I bought a white oval tulip table and then some white Chippendale chairs. So we'll see that eventually. And then you walk through here into this huge living room space. So this is like technically supposed to be the family room, I think. I'm gonna back up a little bit. So you can see this is such an odd layout. So I'm really struggling on how to design this room. Nothing is centered. So if you see like these built-ins, which I'm obsessed with, the arch built-ins, and this molding detail is amazing. But so there's this window that's like not centered, and then there's the corner fireplace, and then this huge wall. So I just don't know. The ceilings are really tall in here too. Oh, there goes Zachary. And then there's this walkway into the playroom. So I just don't know how to design this room. They had a big couch here, and then I think the TV was like in this corner, but I think I want to do a built-in like settee here, like a banquet table, or not table, like a sofa with a little coffee table. I don't know. And then put a lot of art on the wall. And then I'm just struggling with this. So I don't know if we're gonna do the TV over here or not put a TV in here or at all, just put artwork and have it be like a formal living room. So we're not sure, but I love these built-ins. These are my favorite thing ever. And these are all gonna be white, like the kitchen room. So when you walk through this big room, you get into what technically should be the formal living room across from the dining room, but we are making it a playroom. So this is gonna be Zachary's big, nice playroom. This also is already painted white. So this room is done. It is so nice and bright. I'm obsessed with it. So our playroom vibe is gonna be like all white with a ton of like rainbow colors. So I'm excited to get that done. I'll probably do like a playroom reveal and everything once that is done. So now let's go upstairs. Okay, so now we're going into the master. So they have this mint green again in this room. So this is all gonna be white. The ceiling fan, I wanna switch out for a cute like semi-flush mount or something like that. And then this also, if you're OCD like me, this will drive you nuts. So this window is like off-centered. And then there's this wall. So they had the bed under here, but like not centered on the window, which just looked crazy. And there's really no space to put a side table if you put the bed centered under the window. So what we're actually gonna do is cover this window, this one, with like a drywall. So it's actually just gonna be this window here. And we're gonna center the bed under here and then put a side table on either side. So it's gonna make the window smaller, which kind of sucks because you wanna obviously not take away light, but that just needs to happen because this is, even these two together still are not perfectly centered on the room, but it's much more centered than having the three. This just would drive me crazy, and there's really no other place to put the bed, so I don't know. And then there's windows here. This window treatment obviously will be taken down. We're actually gonna do a chinoiserie beautiful wallpaper in here. I'm so excited, but that's gonna be a project for later, so we'll see what happens then. Okay, so this is our master bathroom. This will eventually be a big run-on project for us. There is a super nice big bath that I love, and there's tons of closet space. So there's this closet that goes super deep and has a ton of room, and then you have a double vanity with 2 mirrors. Hello. All this is gonna get switched out immediately, which is like the mirrors and the lighting. The vanity and the counter and the flooring, obviously we wanna redo eventually, but it's not a priority right now. This will probably be a while down the road. Same with the shower. Obviously this isn't perfect, but it's good for now. I did get a really cute shower curtain, so I'm excited for that. And then there's also another huge closet back here. So much storage in here, which I love. And this will be a really cool reno project down the road when we get to kind of customize counters and things like that. But we will be doing the mirrors and the lighting pretty as soon as possible. I also, instead of getting bath mats for this room, I got one big rug because I'm not a really big fan of this tile. It is real tile, but it has this gloss finish on top of it that makes it look like fake tile, which is really odd. I don't know why they did this like high gloss, which it's not picking it up right now, but it is. But I got this big rug, so we'll see how that looks. I'm just trying to cover as much of the flooring as possible, but I'm not sure if it'll look crazy. And then one thing before we leave the master is our big master closet. So this I'm also obsessed with. It's literally huge. I've never had a closet this big. And we eventually want to build this out and make it like super nice and custom. So that'll be another project down the road. Lots of projects. Now you can see why I'm starting a YouTube channel, to make all of these into fun videos. So off the master, there's this little bedroom. This was a boy's room, obviously. They left their mattresses, which is super nice. But this will be eventually, if we have another baby boy, this will be their room. It is the smallest bedroom of all the guest rooms, so this will make a good nursery. However, if we have a girl, I'd put her in a different room because it has more closet space. So this is the kids' bath. I already got some Target stuff set up. We're doing like a little ocean theme in here, but there's a cute tub, toilet, obviously, and then another double vanity, same as our room, and then we're also going to be switching out these mirrors and lights, but pretty basic. And then I just love this landing space. Oh, hello. This is just like the dream. I absolutely love these railings and this big walkway up here. So this is going to be Zachary's room. It is the only room that has hardwood floors, but we already painted this as well. So this is just so beautiful. I love the clean white. I'm so excited. They do have Roman shades that are like this nice pale yellow. We're gonna leave these here. And then I did get some cute, his room is gonna be like navy blue and white themed. So I got some navy gingham check curtains for this room. And then I also got a fan. I actually was influenced by Alexandra Buter. She has a YouTube channel on here. She's so cute. She has a little boy. It's a little bit older than Zachary, but in his new nursery, there's a really cute fan. So I got a fan in here to switch that out. And then he has a nice big closet. I want to eventually build this out as well. But for now, it's just kind of like storage until we actually move in a couple days. And the last bedroom right now is just going to be a guest room. If we end up having a baby girl eventually, this will be her room because it has a huge closet here and then another deep big closet here. So it has the most closet space. So obviously a girl would love that. So this would be her room if we do ever have a girl. If not, this will just be another baby boy's room possibly, or guest room. So this is this room. It still has that mint green walls, a nice carpet. The thing about here is that I loved that even though it was carpet, it was a nice like ivory shade and it would just go with everything and be nice and clean. And then we go up to this third floor. They have just recently redone this, but it's like a nice in-law or rec space. So you come up and it's this little landing space. Not really sure what to do here. I think I might eventually put like a kitchenette or like a cute like movie bar. I'm not sure. But there's one room off of here, which I want to make this room into a theater room. There's more mattresses in here, but I thought it'd be so fun to do like a big cozy couch and then make one of these closets into like a big media space. So we'll see what happens there. And then in this room, I don't know why I'm so out of breath, I'm sorry. You come across and it's like a same exact room on here, but this is gonna be like an in-law suite or a guest room up here. This has a big closet and then there's also a bathroom that connects. And there's another full bathroom up here, which is so nice. Same exact vanity tile, everything is the same, lighting. We'll probably, actually this light's not that bad. That's kind of cute. I'll probably leave that. And the mirror is not bad either. So less work to do in here, which is always good. And I also I just like love the little details throughout this house, like the beadboard and the chair rail. Everything like that is so cute. So we'll head down again. All right, you guys, so that was every room in our new house. I am so excited to bring you along as we decorate on Tuesday and get everything in here. I just cannot wait to make this house our own and kind of put our own touches on everything, and I can't wait to show you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.